Welcome back to another Meatless Monday challenge with the Busy Vegan Mom. Thank you so much for coming back. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. Today for our first meal, we're going to be making some blueberry oat cakes, similar to pancakes but made with oats, and have a nice platter of fruit. All you need is some rolled oats, some oat milk, some flaxseed for healthy fats, and a banana, and baking powder is optional. I start by adding the oats to the blender and blending them up into a fine powder here. Once the oats have been blended into a powder, then I'll just mix the rest of the ingredients together in the blender for my batter. Did you know that oats are not only nutritious, but they're rich in antioxidants? They also contain a powerful soluble fiber. They can even lower cholesterol levels. Oats can improve your blood sugar control and also help you stay full longer. They help you to maintain digestive health and even enhance immune responses to disease. They can even help you sleep better. All you have to do is put the batter on a pan and add some blueberries or fruit of your choice, and then cut up all your nice and juicy fruit. I chose fruits that were higher in vitamin C, like the strawberries and the cantaloupe. Not only are these in season, but they're great for absorbing that plant iron. Our next meal is going to be a colorful, beautiful plant-based plate, rich with beans and other awesome foods that will keep me full. We're going to start off with some root vegetables, as well as some riced cauliflower and some sweet corn, which is awesome and in season right now. It's going to taste so good. Bringing all these flavors together, I put the oven on 350 and spread all of my root veggies that are so rich in colors and antioxidants all over a pan. Next, I prepare my corn. You know me, we're just going to plop it right in the microwave. The color of different foods can tell you a lot about the nutritional value. Each color has different nutrients that the body needs to function healthily. Eating a colorful, balanced diet can ensure that you get a wide variety of nutrients, thus the term eat the rainbow. I'm next going to make my favorite bean sauce that you've seen me make in my previous video, as well as my taco video. Click the link above to check it out. Then I'm going to just heat up some more veggies, the riced cauliflower, and look at these beautiful organic greens. It's always good to get your daily serving of greens with each meal. If you're me, I love to eat the greens. They're great for your health, great for detoxifying the body. Here is my farmer's market watermelon. Oh my goodness, it was a black diamond, seeded, non-GMO. I had to have it with my meal. I also got these microgreens from the farmer's market, broccoli and amaranth. They're supposed to be way higher in nutrient content than the actual grown full mature plant itself. Adding all my different veggies and different components to my meal on the plate. This meal was so fun to eat. Gonna put the sprouts on top for some beautiful colors and extra nutritional value. Take a look. Doesn't this look so beautiful? It was so yummy. Our third meal, our dinner, are these veggie and bean tacos. You'll see later why they look a little tore up here. I put the oven up to 390 and I washed some zucchini and some squash. I had a lot of this on hand. I'm all about no waste, so I wanted to use what I had in my kitchen. So I just chopped up my in-season, you've heard me say it time and time again, my in-season summer veggies, the squash, as well as the zucchini. Squash has so many amazing benefits. It is good for your heart. It's great for weight loss, prevents cancer, helps to create healthy bones, great for eye health, good for colon health. It maintains prostate health, reduces PMS symptoms, boosts the immune system, vitamin rich, and a low calorie content. I'm also going to add some cannellini beans to my taco mixture here. So I've got some nice zucchini and squash. As I showed you, I cut these in long strips so they'll go nice in the taco. I added some taco seasoning that I had in my cabinet along with some water, and we just put this in a big stir fry. And then I start to make my famous bean sauce. It's made from nutritional yeast, as well as my cannellini beans, a little bit of rice vinegar, some pink salt, and I always add some flax seeds for healthy fats. Beans are a great replacement for animal protein. Beans are rich in protein and folate and antioxidants, awesome for heart health. They reduce the risk of cancer, diabetes, and glucose metabolism, prevent fatty liver, and they help to control the appetite, and they even improve gut health. So I'm just going to add my taco mixture, my filling, to my corn tortillas. You'll see here what eventually happens. I've made these so many times in the past, but my tortillas were not fresh. I had these in my cabinet for a little bit of time. Hi, so in a perfect world, I would be able to show you these beautiful, mouth-watering, aesthetically pleasing tacos, but in a realistic world, all the tortillas broke. Look at that. But waste not. The show must go on, and me and the baby still are going to eat these. Just because they're broken doesn't mean they won't taste amazing. Look how they turned out. I added some sprouts in the cheese, baked them for 20 minutes, and they turned out just fine. We loved them. If you want to support my channel, feel free to buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/thebusy-vegan-mom. Thanks for coming around for another Meatless Monday. If you enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up. Let me know to make more. We'll see you guys next week.